Hello there, friends and subscribers. This is Ucchishta Ganapati, and I teach his level 1 and level 2 up to level 8 workshops. And beyond that, there are many levels of prayogas and dhyanas and specific toroidal meditations that I have developed for the advanced students. So consider booking an Ucchishta Ganapati workshop where you will see the practicalities of everything. You will get a puja done for yourself as well as learn and watch and receive a lecture on the puja and everything pertaining to it. So, without pleasing Ganapati, there is no magic, there is no manifestation, there is no abundance. So, this is your opportunity to connect deeply with the primordial male and primordial female and receive initiation into their secrets. And this is what I do. Drop me an email, tina@tinahills.com, to receive such diksha or initiation. Thank you.